Alright, we are on the 12th floor of the sand dunes in Myrtle Beach. Look at that, that place has a little mini golf on the top floor. But yeah, we just rode those Dover Traflomatics, which needless to say were rather glitchy. We're going to the southern side of the main tower. And I think they have a rare find in the US. That's everywhere in Canada, though, from what I remember seeing in videos. So let's confirm that. Yep, and here it is. It's a northern. Perfect, it's already here. Door operator could use some work. Same cabs as the Dovers. Lanterns don't work. Interlock. Let's go down to G. Whee! What a drop. Whoa. We're on 5. Going down? What floor?
3.
This thing does not sound good. Makes lots of really weird noises. We're gonna go back up to 14. Here we go. Whoa! What a rocket. That just started up so quickly. And we're stopping on 10. Someone call it. And that door operator needs help, and man is it bouncy. Going up?
Down. But
Oh.
I can go up and then down, so don't worry.
Alright. I'm just taking a ride, that's all. This is a rare northern elevator. Typically, you only find these in Canada, yet this is in the southern US, which is interesting. So you said you're going down?
Yes, I'm going.
Yeah, I'll ride down. It goes pretty fast. G?
Yep.
Yeah. Wee.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And there it goes. And that's it.